And now it's time for us to present our first award of the evening. We're kicking off our program with some local internet trendsetters with the Never Delete Your Account for most persuasive social media use. This year forced us to find new avenues to stay connected, and these creators found ways to make their accounts invaluable. From niche musical theater comedy, to fat liberation, to sushi art, to community organizing. These local creators carved out a space to influence the internet, and we hope they're here to stay.
The Never Delete Your Account Award for most persuasive social media use. And the nominees are: Art isn't easy. Can you perform compelling musicals with just two people? This duo proves it's not only possible, it can also be a ton of fun. Supported mostly by Patreon, their online performances poke fun at artistic snobbery and will have you rolling. Jesse Ito, Royal Sushi and Izakaya. If you haven't watched this sushi chef's Instagram videos, you might not realize how artistic it can be to slice through huge bellies of tuna and crack open giant live scallops. The work comes together in gorgeous layouts for his Queen Village restaurant. Rasheed Ajamu, Freedom John. Over the past year, Ajamu has turned his Instagram page into a one-stop information hub for Black Philadelphians and people who care about the community. The overarching goal, per his bio, elevating stories and opportunities to aid Black folks. Sonalee Rashatwar, the fat sex therapist. With 145,000 Insta followers, Rashatwar is probably better known globally than in their home city. A clinical social worker, they share resources and advice on sexual healing and generally help promote body positivity.
And the winner is Rasheed Ajamu, Freedom John.
Okay, well, thank you for that. Wow, that's a shock. Thank you for that. I'm excited, as you can see. This is Rasheed Ajamu of the Freedom Join page. And I just really just want to say thank you to everybody who voted for me. I never thought that I would be in a position like this, receiving a Billy. I'm shocked and I'm grateful though. And I just want to dedicate this award to my sibling Erica, my chosen mom Rhonda, my goddaughters Shiloh and Cami, and my grandmother who is looking up from above. And thank you to the rest of Philly, of course. Without you this past year, Freedom Zone wouldn't be a thing. So thank you.